Whether you're trying to lose weight or lead a healthy lifestyle, any trainer will tell you it's 80% diet and 20% exercise. We understand it's challenging to prepare a well-balanced meal 3 times a day, 7 days a week. All the shopping, prepping, cooking, and cleaning just takes too much time out of your busy schedule. Here at ZEN Foods, we do all the work for you. We shop locally for the best seasonal ingredients to make the most beautiful restaurant-inspired dishes that are delivered right to your door. I work with our in-house nutritionist to make sure all our dishes are calorie controlled and portioned specifically for you to lose weight or maintain a healthy lifestyle, without compromising variety or taste. Here is the 5-spice Chinese chicken salad that I've created for our menu. It's refreshing and perfect for summer. Loaded with fresh cilantro, carrots, mandarin, and my favorite, Napa cabbage. It's heart healthy, helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol, and is also a good source of vitamin C and K. For the chicken, we have a simple Asian-style marinade with ginger, garlic, and Chinese 5-spice. This is an important Asian spice blend which is rich in antioxidants and essential minerals such as iron and manganese. I'm Chef Gavin, and we're ZEN Foods. Stay tuned for more new and exciting dishes. Give us a call or go to zenfoods.com to find out more about our healthy meal plans.